A local program is targeting the future of the region's health. University of Newcastle students will be teaching Year 10s about the benefits of exercise, and it comes at a time when obesity rates are in the spotlight.
When you have frisbee skills like these, it's no wonder you're in charge of promoting physical activity.
They can start to think how they can increase their own health and start to engage and realise that they can be better versions of themselves.
These students are a part of SALSA, standing for Students as Lifestyle Activists. It's a program between the University of Newcastle's Tamworth campus and local service Healthwise. Medical students work with high schools in Tamworth, Armidale, Glen Innes, Narrabri and Gunnedah, telling them how to factor physical activity into the day and stay healthy.
You bring in university students and they're cool, and that makes a huge difference in the classroom to engagement for those Year 10 students who are there in the audience.
The students are going to learn about teaching and learning and getting alongside people, so useful for their communication skills.
Those skills will be priceless. Dreaming of a future in medicine, they'll be hidden within the program.
Learning how to work with all different age groups. We'll be working with children and adolescents.
Tamworth has an unfortunate reputation for being an obese town. Multiple fast food outlets and a car-centric city, getting good physical activity behaviours at an early age could slow the cycle.
Because they don't often get these opportunities to be able to get really good evidence-based programs. They don't often have the facilities.
Rex Quayle, 7 News.